Open it. All the players of a group present. Where do you put the tools?
Tas.
Is it in a special place? If only I remember how did I manage to get that me, Urina, Anam. I even asked the parents of ME to give charity for us to buy hardware because it's expensive, about 5,500,000. We cannot afford it, we cannot buy it with our own money. And that is why we asked the parents, we asked Ibu's friend to give charity for us to buy it. Of course now we don't have it, and then we should borrow the boys. But after it reached here, we never take care of it. Do you know some of them are broken?
Yes.
And what made me disappointed from you, I didn't know that the tools are broken with my own eye. I knew it from the boys. Yeah, even Ustaz Nugrul, he told me that some of the boys took that tool from here because it is broken. He saw it broken and then he brought it to the boarding school. How do they put that in boarding school?
After using that, usually they put in the office directly. They train every night in break time. They took from the office and they put in the office also after training. Every day daily, their daily training. So it become safe. Yeah.
Why the boys are like that? Because they think it is theirs. Usually, if we borrow something from other people, we don't take care of it, right? Because we believe that it is not ours. So we don't have to take care of it. We don't have to see it as a precious thing. And then what do? You just put anywhere. That Anam asked me to take the tools and show it to the friends. How come? You are a girl, okay? If you are a boy, you play harsh, you throw harshly, it's okay because you're a boy. You're a girl, you should be gentle, you should be polite, you should take care of things more than the boys do. And you're the opposite. Do you really want to see the tools? Take it now. Take one more. Take it off. Open it. Happy Santri Day. Take it out.
Yang mahal yang.
It was
Now, this is yours. So, if it's yours, what should you do? Take care of it. I don't want any more these tools seen outside the class, inside the class, in your room, anywhere. Look like the boys when they practice inside the room. Only. So they finish, put it back in the office. They don't move from here, there, here, and not like that. So you too, you make a decision where to train, and you train over there. Don't move anywhere. You train over there, put it back again. Maybe in the office you find a special fabric for it. Yeah. How to take care of it later I will tell you. Okay. Thank you very much. Again, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I thought that I'm the big troublemaker.
Yeah, some of it is broken there.
Okay, can go.
Ya, ini toh.
Juga tampil besok.
Terima kasih Bu Dina.
Ini biasanya yang buka siapa?
Then you keep that one, yeah? From tonight, you keep it.
Biasanya Ustaz.
Alright.